Kale eating popcorn. She's very angry. She enjoys eating her popcorn. She sits. She lays in wait. She's watching a terrifying video game.
No, I'm not.
She's delusional. She thinks she's not really watching a horror movie. Oh! It looks like you're look at that. You're all showing. Look at her as she still enjoys. Wait, angrily eats her popcorn. Oh dear, she's making.
You can see your boogers.
Oh dear.
Oh, it's good.
What?
Die. You know, I'm about to pull my pants down. I'm going to show you something else if you don't get that away.
I can't wait. Dun dun. Dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Sewer Mel!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Look, she peed. She pees in a cup. She didn't want to go to the bathroom because she's too
I'm
late.
just like Grandpa. I like to pee in a cup and sit in bed all day. Go fly kite.
Oh my god, Nemo's gonna see this.
Whoops.
Shame on you. Naughty, naughty teacher. Wait. Naughty, naughty, naughty teenager. I don't know what else to say. Oh, okay.
What are you looking at?
No, you should try this. Watch this. Here, hold this for a minute.
You'll be quiet, Caleb.
Do you realize how old this popcorn is? How many days has this been sitting out without a wrapper on it? I mean, a proper wrapping. Okay, somebody place in the popcorn. Can't feel my... I meant to say, I can't feel my hands anymore because somebody put something in my drink.
Ew, Rachel, I'm gonna eat that.
No, it's a very tiny piece.
I don't care. I like to put handfuls.
We need to start over.
There's no starting over in this picture.